Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This past week we wrapped up the last of our habitat box maintenance, as birds, bats, and cavity nesting ducks will be looking for a safe space very soon, if not already. You may have seen our previous video where we invited the 4-H Outdoors Club to help us clean out some boxes at our demo site, which was a lot of fun. If you haven't watched that one yet, it's pretty cool. We also have a watershed walk already that shows how to clean out the duck boxes, so this week's video just takes you with us as we check them out around the watershed, making sure they're stable, suitable habitats. Sometimes our habitat boxes are difficult to access, but we do our best to get to as many as possible. Either way, we enjoy the work that takes us around the watershed. The scenery is always lovely and we often sight some wildlife. And even more often, we'll see signs of wildlife, like feathers or footprints, and in the boxes themselves, which we love to see. If the boxes have been used, we'll find nests of local materials, like wood or cattail fluff, as you can see here, or, unfortunately, even plastic litter. Sometimes we'll see small feathers in the boxes, or even eggs.
Think it was used?
We'll see.
Oh my gosh, there's eggs.
In this particular box, we found a total of 14 unhatched eggs, which we cleaned out. This can happen for a number of reasons, so we're not sure what happened here, but it was interesting to be able to measure the eggs and determine that they did belong to a hooded merganser. Duck boxes are the only ones that have to be cleaned out, because a duck won't use another duck's previously lived-in habitat. The bird boxes will be used regardless, but we still like to check up on them and see what kind of critters have been sheltering there. Last fall, we installed 10 bat boxes around the watershed, and recently received acoustic monitors from ACAP St. John to put in the boxes to see if they've been used at the end of the season. Nature Sussex has also donated an owl habitat to us, which we're really excited to put up soon. So thanks ACAP and Nature Sussex for your contributions in our habitat monitoring and maintenance. You can see where our habitat boxes are located by checking our watershed map, which is linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and thanks as always to our sponsors for making the work we do here at the KWRC possible. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media to keep up with our environmental endeavors. Catch you next time!